What if I told you that right now, successful small business owners are making money following up with customers and managing their entire operation without lifting a finger, and they're doing it completely for free? No developers, no code, no expensive software. Welcome back to No Code Nation. Today, we are breaking down 5 powerful, completely free, no-code tools that can automate the most time-consuming parts of running your small business. We are talking about automating your emails, your customer follow-ups, your social media, your data entry, and even your internal team workflows. If you are a small business owner who is tired of doing everything manually, this video is going to change how you work. Let's get into it. Number 1 is Zapier, and this one is the big daddy of no-code automation. If you have never heard of Zapier, here's the simplest way to think about it. Zapier connects your apps together and makes them talk to each other automatically. You set up what they call a zap, which is basically a rule. When this happens, do that. That is it. That is the whole concept. And the free plan gives you 100 tasks per month, which is honestly more than enough to get started. Here is a real example that will make sense immediately. Let's say you run a small bakery and you have a contact form on your website. Every time someone fills out that form asking about a custom cake order, Zapier automatically sends them a welcome email, adds their information to a Google Sheet so you never lose a lead, and sends you a Slack message or a text so you know someone is interested. That entire flow happens in seconds. You do not touch anything. You are not sitting there copying emails into spreadsheets. You are not scrambling to reply before the customer goes somewhere else. Zapier handles all of it the moment someone hits submit. Another example. Imagine you run an online store on Shopify. Every time someone places an order, Zapier can automatically add that customer to your MailChimp email list, create a task in Trello for your team to fulfill the order, and even send the customer a personalized thank you message. All triggered by one single action, one purchase. Multiple things happen at once. That is the power here. The free tier has over 2,000 app integrations. 2,000. So whatever tools you are already using, Gmail, Google Forms, Calendly, Stripe, Instagram, Zapier almost certainly connects them. Start with one simple zap, something small. You will be hooked within the first hour. Number 2 is Notion, and this one is going to completely replace the chaos of sticky notes, random Google Docs, and disconnected spreadsheets that most small business owners are drowning in right now. Notion is a free all-in-one workspace where you can manage your projects, your clients, your content calendar, your SOPs, standard operating procedures, basically everything that keeps your business running. And here is why it is automation-friendly. Notion has templates, databases, and now Notion AI built right in. You can build a client management system in an afternoon with zero technical knowledge. Let me paint a picture. Say you run a freelance social media agency. In Notion, you can build a client database where every client has their own page. On that page, you track their deliverables, their deadlines, their brand guidelines, their login credentials, and the status of every project. When you mark a project as complete, Notion can automatically update the status across your entire dashboard. You can set up linked databases so that your content calendar automatically pulls from your client list. You never have to update things in 2 places. There is a reason Notion has over 30 million users. It is genuinely that good. And the free plan is incredibly generous. Unlimited pages, unlimited blocks, you can share with up to 5 guests for free. For a solo operator or small team, that is everything you need. The template library is also massive. Go to notion.so/templates and you will find ready-made systems for invoicing, project management, meeting notes, hiring pipelines, content planning, everything. You literally just duplicate a template into your workspace and start using it. No building from scratch. Notion is not just a tool, it is the operating system for your business, and it is free. Number 3 is Make, formerly called Integromat, and if Zapier is the easy entry point, Make is where things get seriously powerful. Make is a visual automation platform where you literally drag and drop to build automated workflows. They call them scenarios, and the free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month and allows you to build unlimited scenarios. Here is what makes Make stand out from Zapier. The visual interface shows you the entire flow of data as it moves between apps. You can see exactly what is happening at every step, which makes it way easier to build more complex automations and make handles more complex logic, things like conditional branching. If this customer spent over $100, send them a VIP discount code. But if they spent under $50, add them to a re-engagement sequence instead. That kind of decision-based automation is where Make really shines. Real example. Let's say you run a local photography business. A client books a session through your Calendly link. Make takes that booking and automatically sends a custom confirmation email with your prep guide attached. Creates an invoice in Wave Eyes, which is another free tool. Adds the event to your Google Calendar with all the client details and creates a reminder task for you 3 days before the shoot. All from one booking. One click from the customer triggers a 7-step automation that used to take you 20 minutes of manual work every single time. That is the kind of time saving we are talking about. If you are already comfortable with Zapier and you want more power and flexibility without paying anything extra, Make is your next step. The learning curve is slightly steeper, but there are hundreds of free tutorials on YouTube, including on this channel, that will get you up and running fast. Number 4 is Airtable, and this one is the tool that bridges the gap between a simple spreadsheet and a full-blown database, without needing any technical skills at all. Airtable looks like a spreadsheet on the surface, but it works like a database underneath. You can link records between tables, filter and sort your data in powerful ways, build custom views like Kanban boards and gallery views, and attach files, images, and notes directly to any record. And the free plan is very solid, up to 1,000 records per base, 5 editors, and unlimited bases. Let's get specific. Say you run a small e-commerce brand selling handmade jewelry. In Airtable, you can build a product inventory tracker where every product links to your supplier records, your order history, and your customer data, all in one place. When stock drops below a certain number, you can connect Airtable to Zapier or Make and automatically trigger a reorder email to your supplier, or even send yourself a low stock alert straight to your phone. No more running out of your best-selling product because you forgot to check the spreadsheet. Airtable also has a feature called Automations built right in. So without even connecting to Zapier, you can set up automations directly inside Airtable. When a record matches a certain condition, send an email or create a new record or update a field. It is self-contained and it is free. A lot of small business owners use Airtable as their CRM, Customer Relationship Manager. You track every lead, every conversation, every deal stage. You can assign follow-up dates and build views that show you exactly who you need to contact today. It is a fully functional business tool that used to cost hundreds of dollars a month, and now it is free. There are also hundreds of pre-built Airtable templates in their marketplace. Event planning, content production, hiring, inventory, client onboarding, you name it, the template exists. For any small business owner who is currently managing their business in a messy spreadsheet, Airtable is an immediate upgrade that will take you less than a day to set up. All right, let's do a quick recap because your future automated business self is going to thank you for watching this. Number 1, Zapier to connect all your apps and trigger automatic actions. Number 2, Notion to organize your entire business in one clean workspace. Number 3, Make for more advanced visual automations with complex logic. Number 4, Airtable to manage your data, your inventory, and your customers like a pro. And number 5, and we did not even get deep into this one, but go check out MailChimp's free plan for automating your entire email marketing. Free for up to 500 contacts, automated welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails if you have an online store, and performance analytics all included. $0. Look, the tools exist. They are free. The only thing stopping your business from running more efficiently is just getting started. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these 5 tools you are going to try first. I read every single comment and I want to know where you are starting. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe because every single week on No Code Nation, we are dropping content exactly like this. Free tools, real strategies, 0 code required. See you in the next one.